It's amazing. After a busy day of chaos, sometimes we just need a little nap time. Yeah. Maddie decided to join us for a nap. Oh, I think Ellie's actually hiding in the theater. So, yeah. Jack and I, we've come to an understanding. We can share the sofa. Yeah. He's a good boy, Jack. Give me the yawn. You ready for the yawn? I feel a yawn coming on. I know as soon as I move, you're gonna yawn. Come on, Jack. You can do it. Another yawn. Wait for it. He's gonna yawn. I can see it. Oh, the baby's tired. It does actually happen. After a busy day of Christmas chaos, yep, we're settling in for a little afternoon nap. Love you. Good boy. There's the yawn. I knew the yawn would come. Yeah, your mom knows you. Now it's snack time. All right, I'll get you some snacks. You gave me the yawn.